This video is brought to you guys by Moo. Use that link down below or simply go to StockSurfest.com/Moo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat. And mind you, each of those could be valued up to $2,000. And if you want some more money, who doesn't like more money? Depending on how much more money you deposit onto the platform, that is, all the details are linked down below. You can also get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So what are you waiting for, guys? The clock's ticking. Use that link down below, the Moo link, and of course that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. And yes, before you guys make fun of me, yes, I do have another Starbucks water here. Every time I go to Starbucks, I always get a venti iced water. It's so freaking good. I don't know why. I mean, it's just water, guys, but for some reason I love drinking ice cold water out of a Starbucks cup. I don't know. Am I turning into a freaking white girl with blonde hair here? I don't know what the heck's going on, guys. Obviously, I'm just messing around. My freaking iWatch is going crazy. Whatever, guys. All right, listen. All I gotta say is I love Starbucks. I gotta get that iced. Gotta get that ice water. I don't know about you guys. And by the way, I'm getting way more active on Twitter these days at StockSurfest or at Stas Talk Stocks. Either way, whatever you type in there, you'll find me. Make sure to go follow me on Twitter, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. Maybe we'll get to that point fairly soon here. And again, I'm getting way more active. So if you guys want to be a part of the community over on Twitter, go down below. Check it out, and yeah, let's dive into it. Palantir did very, very well today, up 6%, up 93 cents on the day, as the overall market did well as well. All the indexes here in the U.S. ended up going up. We had the Russell up 0.4%, NASDAQ up 0.6%, S&P up 0.4%, as the Dow went up around 0.1%, and we had the VIX down another 4%, guys, another 4%. Now the VIX is back under 14 points, and well, just like that, it looks like it's getting back to where it was when it hit 12. When was that? A couple of weeks ago? Yeah, at this point, more like 2 months ago. Either way, you know, 8 weeks ago, however long ago that was, we hit 12 on the VIX, 1275 to be exact, and now it looks like we're getting awfully close to that point. Again, so green day overall, the VIX keeps on getting hit, guys, pretty clear, right? And we had oil today. Let's pull that up. Let's do a rundown here on all these quickly before we talk about Palantir. Oil ended up going up 0.7% on the day. Not bad. It looks like it's continuing the uptrend here on the 4-hour chart. We're above the moving averages. You know, the uptrend, again, is continuing. We're breaking out, all that good stuff. So oil to the mid-80s. I'm still standing on that. I think that is in the cards right now. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but by the looks of it, that's where we're going. And let's see here, guys. SPY ended up going up 0.4%. Like I said, this is continuing the break above the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. That's awesome. We're above the highs from yesterday. That's awesome as well. And we'll probably break down the markets a little bit more in depth, maybe in my next video, guys. So not too much in this video. I mostly want to focus on Palantir. But maybe we'll break down SPY Triple Q a little bit more in my next video. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. You might as well. And Triple Q, like I said, pretty good day. Also continuing the breakout above the 180 SMA here. Awesome. So Palantir up 6% on the day, 93 cents. It closed at what, 16.33. Now it's up a little bit more after the bell, and we're getting awfully close, guys, to the neckline of this Head and Shoulders. Do you guys remember this Head and Shoulders that I've been talking about over the past couple of videos? Well, we're right at the neckline right now at about 16.45.50, 16.75. That's a big spot, guys, and we're at that point right now. And if I zoom in a little bit here on the 5-day, with today's move of, again, up over 6%, we took out the highs, of course, from yesterday, day before that, and we officially took out the highs from the 23rd of August heading into the 24th, which yesterday, guys, we didn't do that. We were still under those highs from last week, but with today's big move, 6%, again, we took those highs out from Wednesday, Thursday, which is really good. Wednesday, Thursday from last week, and now on the 10-day chart, you guys can see we're trading at a high as well, which is great. We also took the highs out from, it looks like, the middle of August today, which in the middle of August we hit 1570, 15 60, 65. So we took that out, which is awesome. And let's see, on the 20-day chart, let me pull this up. We're not quite anywhere near, the highs on the 20-day chart, but you guys can see we're definitely building on top of that momentum that we were building on yesterday, which you all probably remember. If I pull the 1 hour or 1 day again, actually, no, the 5-day will show this. We can see yesterday Palantir ripped right out of the gate and went crazy, and that continued today, which is a really good sign for the bulls. And another good thing for the bulls here, guys, is the fact that we are making subtle higher lows on this 5-day, 5-minute chart. Are we not? Look, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That's beautiful, guys. Bulls are starting to come alive again. And going back to that 20-day, you guys can see we're right at 1650. I can't say it enough. 1650 is super important, which, again, if we do break that, which I suspect we will, who knows? I could be wrong, but right now we're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross, which is awesome, right? If we break 1650, boom, 1850, who knows? 17s, that's where we could be going. So Palantir looks good. Another good day in the books for the stock. I mean, the chart is looking pretty nice. Not fully breaking out, but we're pretty dang close if you ask me. What do you all think? And please, if you disagree with me, let me know in the comments. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments. Either way, I'd love to know your input, guys. And of course, guys, keep your eyes on this head and shoulders. Like I've, this is what I've been talking about for the last couple of videos. That's a big spot, right? 1650 is also the neckline of the head and shoulders. That needs to break for the bulls. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, again, about Palantir stock. And let me run through some other names here that are doing well. I believe NVIDIA is up big time again. Maybe not so much big time, but it's up another 1% today, up around 480, which is not bad. And now we're knocking on the door of $500 yet again. Now NVIDIA is at 492. We're bouncing still off the 180 SMA, 50 SMA. We have a golden cross, which is great here on the 4-hour chart. And you guys probably remember I drew out this head and shoulders here a couple of videos ago, and well, we broke the neckline of that, which is really good. That's a good sign for the bulls. And to me, guys, this looks like it's getting ready to go back to 500, maybe 510, maybe 520. Honestly, if it were to do that, I would not be surprised at all. Personally, now is it guaranteed? Of course not, guys. Nothing is guaranteed, and please make sure to do your own research. But that's just my opinion here on NVIDIA. Let me pull up another one here, guys. CRM, which I always check on because, whoa, wait a second. They just reported earnings, and actually, that's going to be a good spot to end off the video because we'll cover them in the next video along with some other companies that just reported earnings, and it does look like CRM is starting to take off. So make sure you guys subscribe. Watch out for that next video, and don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you can get a free share of Google or Tesla stock, which is nuts depending on how much money you deposit, guys. So check out all the details linked down below, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter at StasserFest or Stas Talk Stocks. You'll find me on there, and with that being said, cheers. I'll see you guys in the next one.